Hi, this is Pat Johnson, your psychology instructor, and welcome to Psych 150, General Psychology. In this mini lecture, we're going to start out with the basics. What is psychology? Our author tells us that psychology is a science concerned with... Well, wait, let's back up. Science. When I think of science, I usually think of biology, or chemistry, or physics, or some subject like that. But psychology is a science too. It's a social science. So psychology uses research methods just like other sciences do. We'll talk about those a little later in the course. Psychology is a science concerned with behavior, in other words, what we do, and mental processes, in other words, how we think. A fancy word for mental processes is the word cognition. Cognition means thinking. We'll be using that term a lot in the course. Now, I want you to ask yourself, what factors could affect our behavior and mental processes? Well, let's look at some factors. The physical environment could affect behavior and mental processes. If the room you were in was really crowded or really hot, it would probably affect your ability to comprehend this lecture and to study negatively. So the physical environment can affect our behavior and mental processes. Our health, both physical and mental, can affect our behavior and mental processes. If you were having a migraine headache right now, you probably wouldn't want to be studying psychology. You'd want the room dark, and you might even be sick to your stomach. Our emotional state also affects our behavior and mental processes. If your sweetie told you before class that you and he or you and she were over with, you probably again wouldn't be able to focus on the science of psychology. So, in psychology, a science, we look at behavior and mental processes and what factors affect those things. That's what we'll be doing this whole semester.